Imagine your body working silently in the background, where your kidneys are constantly filtering your blood every single second. These small, bean-shaped organs may not get much attention, but they are essential for keeping your body clean and balanced. Every day, your kidneys filter large amounts of blood, removing waste products, toxins, and excess fluid. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny structures called nephrons, responsible for this continuous filtration process. In a healthy body, this system works efficiently, keeping your internal environment stable and functioning properly. But kidney failure does not happen overnight. It usually begins slowly and quietly, often without noticeable symptoms. Over time, the nephrons begin to lose their ability to filter waste from the blood effectively. As this damage increases, harmful substances that should be removed start to build up inside the body. At first, the signs can be very subtle, such as feeling tired or lacking energy during daily activities. Because these symptoms are common, many people do not realize that their kidneys are under stress. Meanwhile, inside the body, toxins continue to accumulate in the bloodstream. The kidneys also struggle to maintain the balance of fluids, leading to water retention. This can cause swelling in the legs, feet, and sometimes even in the face. Important minerals like potassium and sodium begin to fall out of balance. These imbalances can affect the heart, muscles, and nerves in dangerous ways. As kidney function continues to decline, the blood becomes increasingly toxic. This can begin to affect the brain, causing confusion, difficulty focusing, and extreme fatigue. In advanced stages, the body can no longer function properly without medical support. One of the most common treatments is dialysis, where a machine is used to filter waste from the blood. During dialysis, blood is removed from the body, cleaned through a special filter, and then returned. This process helps remove toxins and excess fluids that the kidneys can no longer handle. However, dialysis is not a complete replacement for healthy kidney function. With proper medical care, lifestyle changes, and early detection, the progression of kidney failure can often be slowed. Understanding how kidney failure develops allows you to take control of your health before serious damage occurs. Because in the end, awareness and timely action can protect your body, improve your quality of life, and even save your life.